Hi, it's Paul from OnAir. We're at Broadcast Asia 2025 on the Fortinge stand. They're our supplier for teleprompters.
So basically we do support all kinds of solutions of teleprompters, starting from the big studios one till the tiny ones that we're using for the the tablets and the mobile phones. With this product that we call it Robo, it can support the IP systems and like NDI system and IP systems, and it supported all kinds of PTZ cameras as well, starting from the heaviest cameras in the market, ending to the last small ones as well. The TV channels generally they need this to see maybe the times, maybe a timer, maybe to see which camera they're using and how many cameras they're using in the system. For example, here's like camera number 4 or camera number 3. These two are the same, so they are used for the big TV channels. The main difference between these two, this one can support the NDI and IP systems. We call it all-in-one, like full option. It comes with SDI, VGA, HDMI, and the NDI as well. Basically, this one, as I mentioned before, is supported with NDI, and that one, the first, it can also support the IP systems. This is basically also used for the ENG cameras. It's also easier regarding these two, because this is easier and to create or adjust the setup itself. So generally, the speakers that you're using it outside or outdoors, it's easier for them regarding this that I showed you before. Remote controllers, this is used for the desks or the control rooms, the director can use it. And this is for the speakers generally. They are super swift and smooth to use them while or regarding the recording the videos or the TV channels. This one, as you can see, this is specialized for the tablets. It can be suitable up to 13 or tablets, like normal tablets. So just put your tablet here by using our software, which is totally free. It's gonna come with the package itself, and put your camera. If you are using like ENG small cameras or DSL cameras, it's suitable for them. Even some cinematic cameras can hold or can be suitable with this teleprompter. This is very tiny and very like small one to use for the normal telephone, mobile phones. So if you want to shoot with the phones, you can just put this, part, put your phone, or just do it opposite side. Put your phone here, like here, and start shooting.
So there you have it, a fantastic range of teleprompters from Fortinge. If you'd like more information, talk to us at OnAir Solutions or visit our store at onair.au.